2 a.m. The night still young. You live by the gun, you gon' die by the gun.
Yeah, right here too.
But see, listen, bro, I ain't right there now. I ain't try to.
Right here,
I didn't even try to, but hey, that was his fault.
And mama, don't worry, you raised a gangster. I'm a survivor. It hurt.
First time nigga ass at the gun range, not that bad at all, really. Gotta work. My aim. Damn. My broken sweat.
How far you want it?
Pause, bro. Wait.
How far you want the distance to be?
Alright, you pick, bro. I'm gonna go off you. You pick, bro. Alright, what you pick?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, a little more practice.
A little more pressure. But is this bad for a nigga first try?
Nah, it's not bad.
What?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just
Right here.
Let me get the,
Right
the
here.
thing a little bit. No.
In the spine
You
though.
just do it. I'm gonna get the
He ain't gonna walk.
Huh?
I'll
He
let
gonna be
you
able to
know
walk.
when to go.
He
He ain't gonna be able to walk. He ain't gonna.
Yeah, right here too.
But see, listen, bro, I ain't right there now. I ain't try to.
Right here,
I didn't even try to, but hey, that was his fault. How did I shot a bit of
Oh, right here. In the armpit. That crazy.
I ain't. That's crazy. I'm trying to get the face though. Going on, girl?
Shit, ain't nothing much, just reminiscing, banging and banging. Shit, you know me, Peter Wheatstraw.
Hey, when was the last time you had?
Oh man, I can't recall if I got to go way back to 1970.
Girl, where is the wildest place you did it at? Where's the wildest place?
Shit, I can't damn remember. I done been all over the world.
You ever smashed a girl outside? Wait,
Right there on the porch.
you smashed the girl on the porch?
Hell yeah,
You-
smacked the hell out of her. Hell, she wanted to go out there, so I went with her.
Girl, there ain't no type of raccoons in there.
They come up on the porch, they would've got
Oh.
right, but I'm serious. Hell, she the one assisted going out there. Come on, let's go.
Just like 50 Cent, I got the power. Eat a whole pussy fresh out of the shower. Been fuck her almost an hour. You say that you gangster, but you is a coward. Paul like a fitted like nigga, we ready. Bitch, you tripping. After a fuck, I'm dipping. All blue, no, I'm not crippin'. Just like Nardo, shit can get wicked. I thought you were real nigga,
That's you.
I thought I open like
Damn.
my heart is too pure. The reason why I'm chosen.
Gotta stick with that. You know, you just like a mechanic. You know, mechanic know he work. He ain't gonna stop doing it. But you know your work. This is your passion. You ought to stick with it. That shit sound good though, right there. I'm like, damn, this alright. This is you? Yeah. Damn. They say, you know, your voice makes a difference for when you're talking now, but it changes when you get on the mic. Boy, I used to be bang, the gang, bang, gang, and then, hey, my motherfucking rap is stronger. My rap is strong. I know how to get a when I get a I got a That's right. I'm serious. I'm serious. Back in my day, I used to go downtown and get
Been fuck her almost an hour. You say that you gangster, but you is a coward. Paul like a fitted like nigga, we ready. Do stupid shit like it ain't it.
It just blows my mind how you come up with this shit. Where you sit down and write this down?
Yeah, so like I don't know, Granddad. Like I'll be surprised, like how you and Mom be.
Yeah.
Like
But you got that.
when I be at work I just be rapping to myself, and then I'll like make a verse or something like that. I'll just be like, wow, it really do be like that.
I know. See, as long as this going like this, that sound good right there though.
Yeah, let's go. Just like 50 Cent, I got the power. Eat a whole pussy fresh out of the shower. Been fuck her almost an hour. You say that you gangster, but you is a coward. Pop like confetti, like nigga, we ready. Doing stupid shit like Eddie and Eddie. Generation fucked up, hard to get married.